I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Inkem, and if this is your first time here on my channel, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, okay? Today's wig is from HerGivenHair. They sent me their 13 by 6 lace frontal unit in length 14, okay? So alongside this wig, these are the things that came, and here is the unit straight from the pack, guys, okay? It's a coily unit, and the lace net came bleached already. The hairline came pre-plucked. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I did when I had to pluck it some more. And this is a construction of the wig cap. It has 3 combs, it has an elastic band, also there's an adjustable strap in the wig. And guys, this is a 13 by 6 lace front unit. This is what it looks like. The lace net also is bleached, and it has a lot of parting space, guys. Like, your part can go as deep as you want it to be, and you can do a C part, a side part, like any part at all that you want to do with this wig, you can do it. Okay, it has free parting space. Okay, to define the coils of this unit, guys, I put the wig on my door head and I'm going to spray water on it. This is just water, guys, nothing inside, just water alone. Spray the quantity I want, and I went in with my coiling cream. Apply a bit of the coiling cream on the hair and just make sure that it goes round. Okay, so after that I brushed it, and just brush a section, and this is how gorgeous the coils look. Okay, so guys, the interesting part of this video is that I am doing a 3-strand twist, and this is my first time of doing a 3-strand twist, guys. Okay, so I did when I had to do the first, second and third off camera just to see what it looks like, and try doing it on my own before showing you guys what it is. Okay, so for the 3-strand twist, I sectioned the hair into 3 and then start doing the twist. Guys, this was way more easier than what I thought it would be. Okay, like, it was very easy doing this 3-strand twist, guys. Okay, it's something that I think everybody can do. Okay, really not difficult at all to do this 3-strand twist. Just watch and see what I am doing. Okay, and also, guys, watch to the end of this video so you guys can see, or will see, the outcome of this unit. Like, I was blown away. Okay, like, the twist came out so beautiful, guys. Like, you guys just watch the end of this video and see the outcome of this 3-strand twist I did. Like, you will love it. Okay,
Oh, it echoes in my soul. My weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes.
I'm going for a side part, and I'm making sure that my part is deep. Okay, and I used my wax stick, apply on it. You went in with my hot comb and just flattened the hair. See, guys, all details on this unit from HerGivenHair, I'm going to leave it in my description box for you guys, because this hair is so good. Like, the quality of this hair, guys, is top notch. I highly recommend this unit for you guys, because this hair is everything and more. It's a really good quality hair, and I love the volume of this unit, guys. Like, it's so full. Okay, so I'm just continue doing my 3-strand twist, just twist to the end.
I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh, baby, I know you love me. Hey, hey. Cause I love, I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care if I am fancy brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye.
So after doing my 3-strand twist, this is what the wig looks like. I'm gonna leave this to dry for some hours before wearing it. I'm going to apply eco styling gel on my hair, just lay down my hair before wearing the wig. Cause guys, my edges are looking so rough. In fact, my hair is looking rough, guys. You guys should just overlook that part, okay? I cut the lace net before wearing the wig, okay? Just cut out the lace net at the front and then put this wig on my head, guys, okay? Like, I'm going for a glueless install, guys, because this wig just sits and fits perfectly well. There was no need for a glue for this installation, so I did go for a glueless installation, okay? So after wearing the unit, you guys can spot the airline of this wig. You guys can spot how well the lace just melts. Like, it's looking so beautiful, guys, okay? Let's unravel this twist, guys. Like, let's loosen it up to see the beauty of these coils. Take a look at this coils, guys. Like, it is so beautiful. The coils came out so well. Like, I could not even believe it, guys. Like, this 3-strand twist, it's a must try, okay? Like, this is my first attempt, and guys, I'm blown away, okay? This is so beautiful, and the twist is just twisting, the coils is just coiling, and guys, the wig is so gorgeous, okay? So after unraveling the twist, this is what the coils looks like. This is how gorgeous it is. Very neat, well coiled, and beautiful, guys, okay? Now for the parting, I'm going to apply a bit of concealer. Just make sure it is popping, looking all gorgeous and natural, guys, okay? So I'm going to separate the coils of this twist. Just make sure it is full, but I would have gone ahead with the white tooth comb to just comb it a bit out, and that is it. But I don't know why I did not do that, okay? Because I felt I would have get a much more finer and fuller look, but it is what it is, okay? The next thing I did was to use my elastic band to tie on the front and then leave it for some minutes and then take it down. This is gorgeous. The hair is gorgeous. The coils, they are coiling, and this is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. The wig is everything and more. The coils are bouncing, and it's a glueless wig, the best way to protect your edges. No glue whatsoever, guys, and this unit is a must-have. All details will be in my description box. This hair again is from HerGivenHair, and I love the volume of this unit and I love the texture of the hair. The twist came out so well. Let me know in the comment section if you've done a 3-strand twist before and how was the outcome like, okay? For me, this is really gorgeous. I love how the twist came out. See why you need a good quality hair, guys, okay? This hair is good quality. You guys can see how my twist came out, really gorgeous and beautiful, okay? So all details to this hair will be in my description box. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Bye, guys.